Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Chava versus Huel, two popular plant-based meal replacement shakes. Chava positions itself as a premium superfood blend, focusing on holistic health and natural ingredients. Huel, on the other hand, prioritizes providing a nutritionally complete and convenient meal solution at an accessible price point. While both aim to simplify healthy eating for busy individuals, their core philosophies and ingredient approaches differ significantly, catering to distinct preferences and needs. When we look at the nutritional breakdown, Chava typically offers 240 calories per serving, with 25 grams of protein. It also provides 6 to 9 grams of fiber. Huel Black Edition, designed for higher protein and lower carbs, delivers 400 calories per serving, boasting 40 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. These differences mean Chava is often a lighter option, while Huel Black Edition provides a more calorie-dense and protein-rich meal. The ingredient philosophies truly set these two apart. Chava prides itself on a vast array of over 85 plant-based ingredients, including superfoods, adaptogens, and probiotics, aiming for a holistic health approach. It is also free from artificial sweeteners, flavors, or preservatives. Huel, conversely, focuses on a scientifically balanced, complete nutritional profile using core ingredients like oats, pea protein, and flaxseed, often incorporating sucralose or stevia for taste. Considering the cost, Chava typically ranges from about $4 to $5 per serving, reflecting its extensive superfood ingredient list. Huel Black Edition is generally more budget-friendly, often costing around $3 per serving. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you seek a premium, superfood-rich shake with a natural ingredient focus, Chava might be for you. If affordability, high protein, and a nutritionally complete, convenient meal are key, Huel Black Edition is an excellent option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.